In this video, we are going to learn how you can add URL redirects in a WordPress website. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at our site. This is our website. We have a contact page over here. All right. And we have services, about, and blog. Now what we want is we created a new contact us page. And when users click on this old contact page link, it will redirect them to the new contact us page. So let's also take a look at the contact us page. This is the new contact us page, so let's view it. Okay, so this is the new contact page. So we want to redirect users to this page when they click on this contact link. So let's get started. First, we're going to go back to our dashboard. And normally you cannot add URL redirects in WordPress. For this, we need a plugin. To add a new plugin, we're going to hover a mouse over plugins and click on add plugin. And then we're going to search for the redirection plugin. And here's the plugin that we want to use. This plugin is by Inisev and it has over 90,000 active installations. It has a good ratings and is compatible with our current version of WordPress. Now we're going to click on this install now button, wait for the plugin to install. It's installed. Now we're going to click on the activate button. Alright, as soon as you activate the plugin, it's going to show you this notification. We're going to skip it. And here it's so simple. You can just add the URL you want to redirect and add the URL where you want the users to be redirected to. So first, we are going to copy the URL of our contact page. So let's go to the pages section. And from here, let's choose the contact page. So we're going to click on edit. Then we're going to click on over here slug. And then we're going to copy this entire URL. All right, we've copied it. Now let's get back to our dashboard. And we're going to go to redirection. Over here, we're going to add this URL over here. And also add this contact us URL. And then we're going to add this redirect. And it's already created. So you can see the redirection is over here. Now you can add as many redirections as you want from here. And you can also change their status on and off from here. Okay, it's really convenient to use. Now, if we go to our WordPress website, now if we click on this contact page, you can see it redirects us to the contact us page. Now, if we take a look at the URL bar here it says contact us instead of contact. Now let's show you from the beginning. So if we turn off this status, and now if we go back to our site, and now if we click on the contact over here, it directs to the contact page. But if we switch this redirection on, and now if we visit our site, and if we click on contact, it's going to redirect us to the contact us page that we created. This is the new contact us page. So that's how you add URL redirection in WordPress website. Now, there are various other features of this plugin, such as redirection rules. You can apply several redirection URLs such as contains, starts with, end with, have permalink structure, rejects matches, are 404s, all URLs. You can add these options, a specific URL, URL with new string, URLs, removed strings, all are over here. You can also add a new criteria and add as many rules as you want. Alright, in the specific URL redirections, you can also click on the show advanced option. From here, you can also select the source URL. There are options such as ignore trailing slashes. So if we read over here, it says if checked, URLs with a / at the end and those without it will be redirected. Ignore lowercase and uppercase. By default, this is selected and we recommend leaving it on. And ignore parameters. If checked, URLs with parameters will be redirected as well. Example, if you selected / whatever to get redirected, then / whatever param will be redirected too. So you can take a look at all these options, and here we can also see the redirect HTTP code. So if you want, you can also add 301 code, which is moved permanently, 302 code, which is found, 303 code, which is see other, 304 not modified, 307 temporary redirect, or 308 permanent redirect. So you can choose the code from here for your redirections. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.